Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to convert your system drive from MBR to GPT safely during Windows 10 installation in 2025 without losing any data? I will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Open Disk Management by clicking the Start menu. Right click on Start menu, then click Disk Management. Locate your system drive, usually disk 0. Right click and select Properties. Under the Volume tab, check the partition style. It should say MBR if conversation is needed. Next, find the MBR2 gpt.exe tool inside the C drive file. Open this PC, go to local disk, then Windows from here. Scroll down or just search for slash system 32. Now scroll down or search for MBR to GPT. This built-in Windows utility will safely convert your disk without data loss. If it's missing, download it from Microsoft's official site. Now, run command prompt as administrator. Open Start menu, search for CMD, then click Run as administrator. Now type MBR to GPT slash validate slash disk 0 space slash allow full OS. Then hit enter. If validation succeeds, run MBR to GPT space slash convert space slash disk 0 slash space slash allow full OS. This converts the disk from MBR to GPT while keeping all your files intact. You will see a success message. Now reboot your PC and make sure to reboot in UEFI mode required for GPT drives. After reboot, check disks management again to confirm the partition style now shows GPT. You may notice a new system reserved partition. This is normal. To hide it from File Explorer, simply remove its drive later via disk management. And that's it. Thanks for watching.